In a world of digital meetings, having the right passcode is crucial. Let's explore how to find it in just seconds. First, check your email. Invitation emails usually contain the passcode right there. Next, look in your calendar app. If you edit the meeting, the passcode may be included. Need a backup? Open the Zoom app, go to Meetings, and check upcoming meetings listed there. If all else fails, reach out to the meeting host directly for assistance. And there you have it. With these tips, you'll never miss a meeting again. To recap, check your email and calendar, look in the Zoom app, and don't hesitate to ask for help. These steps ensure you're ready for any Zoom meeting without the hassle of searching. Stay connected, stay informed, and make your Zoom experience stress-free. Now that you're equipped with knowledge, enjoy your future meetings. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks to enhance your video call experience. Thanks for watching, and happy Zooming!